Hello children, here is another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create sentences with the help of words that are scrambled. For example, you can see on the screen, school I to go. This sentence or this group of words does not make any sense. But if I arrange these words in a proper sequence, and then I write down I go to school, then it makes a sense, it makes a meaning. Let us see a few more examples. Number one, early wake I up. Think, pause the video, and think which sentence can you make with the help of this group of words that makes a sense. Yes, let us check the answer. I wake up early. This is the answer. Now we go to the second group of words, that is the scrambled words, and see what sentence can we make out of it. Teeth, brush, I, my. Take a pause, pause the video, and think of the sentence that you can create with the help of this scrambled words. Let us check. I brush my teeth. This is the correct sentence. Let us go to the third one. Uniform wear I my. Can you make a sentence out of these words? Rearrange these words to form a meaningful sentence. Let us check. I wear my uniform. This is the correct sentence. Let us go to the next example. Breakfast eat I my. Can you make a sentence that makes a sense out of these words? Come on, try. Let's check. I eat my breakfast. Well done. Let's go to the next sentence. Bag, pack, I, my. Can you think of a sentence out of these words? Try it out. Let's check. I pack my bag. Next one. School go I to. Try. Make a meaningful sentence out of these words. Yes, here's the answer. I go to school. Teacher greet I my. Now, these are the words. Rearrange them and form a meaningful sentence. Teacher greet I my. Let's check the answer. I greet my teacher. Now we go to the next one. Lessons study I my. These are the words given. You have to make a meaningful sentence. Let's check the answer. I study my lessons. lunch, eat, I, my. These are the words. Use these words to form a meaningful sentence. Let's check the answer after you finish the framing of the sentence. I eat my lunch. Friends with play I. Try and make the meaningful sentence so that we can check it out. Here is the answer. I play with friends. With this, we come to the end of this video. Keep practicing more and more lessons.